With Teamwork, as well as being able to add files from your local machine, you can also seamlessly integrate Teamwork with Google Drive, allowing you to easily add files directly from Google Drive into a project in Teamwork. Our first step is that we need to enable the integration at a site level, and to do this, select your profile picture on the top right, select Settings, and in the Settings window, just make sure that we're in the Integrations tab. Next up, we can either scroll down or search for Drive, and then select Connect on Google Drive. Select the account we want to link, allow these permissions, and once we've authorized access, our next step is to select the Google Drive folder that we want to be able to have access to. If we want to, we can of course just select our root folder, or we can find a specific folder here. Once we're happy, just choose select this folder, and now we've fully connected Google Drive at a site level. Our next step is to enable it on an individual project. Here in our Settings tab for our particular project, just select Integrations and toggle on Google Drive. The first thing we need to do here is select our project folder, where again, if we have additional folders here, we can select one for this specific project, or indeed we can go with our root folder. Our next step is to choose who can have access to this Google Drive, and this can be administrators on our company. This can be all administrators across all companies. We can have all administrators and all users for our company, or anyone with access to the project. Once we're happy, select Save, and there we go. Now we've fully set up our Google Drive integration for our project. And now we can take a quick look at using our Google Drive integration. Here in our file section, you can see that next to upload files, we have our Google Drive option, where we can easily select any files we want to add into Teamwork. Here we can select our category, and we can select who can view and access these files. Once we're happy, select Link Files. And there we go, we can see that our new files have been added, and we can also see that they have come from Google Drive. And these files from Google Drive can work in the exact same way as our regular files, where we can easily download them, we can add them to tasks, etc. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use the Google Drive integration for Teamwork. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.